Hi folks, today we have this Raptor. It's been back and forth to us. We've done loads of bits and bobs. I'll just go through pretty much everything we've done with this one. Done DRLs for him. I just added a long bar at the bottom. Got a camera by there as well. Done a little bit of styling on this one. Done the indicators on both sides. Folding mirrors. We've taken the lights out, they're sequenced now, they go back and forth. And then what we've done is ambient lighting. Some floor wells. Bear with me as I get in. And then got a front camera. Sorry, because the lights are on, so it's very bright. And then we've done an Xfire system in here, a ghost, a tracker, Thinkware Q800 front and rear, sub amp, and now we're going to be adding wireless Apple CarPlay to it as well. Clever bit of kit this. Okay, I'm just going to show you the mirrors is what he wanted. So if you can see that, click lock, sequenced, and they fold in. If you're interested in stuff like this, give us a shout. Pretty much do any vehicle. It's Waz, B&B Audioconcepts, 02920 707 275. Thank you for watching.